Sweden comes a challenger, the Saab Gripen EF. It may not have the same price tag or global spotlight, but it's a jet with a different philosophy. The Gripen is all about doing more with less, using smart design and cutting-edge tech to punch above its weight. The Gripen isn't about being the biggest or priciest. It's about being smart, efficient, and adaptable. It's designed for quick turnarounds, easy maintenance, and the ability to operate from rough, short runways. For countries that want top-tier performance without breaking the bank, the Gripen is a compelling choice. It's the David to the F-35's Goliath, designed for affordability and clever tactics. The Gripen's modular design means it can be upgraded quickly, keeping it relevant as technology evolves. It's a jet built for the realities of modern warfare, where flexibility and cost matter as much as raw power. This sets up a true clash of philosophies: brute force versus brilliant efficiency. Do you invest in the most advanced all-in-one platform, or do you choose a jet that's agile, affordable, and easy to maintain? It's a question that goes beyond hardware, touching on strategy, economics, and even national identity. Air forces worldwide are making this choice right now. Bet on the F-35's dominance or the Gripen's smart, cost-effective punch. The decision isn't just about today's battles, but about preparing for the unknown challenges of tomorrow. Each jet represents a different vision of the future of air combat. The answer isn't simple, and the stakes are huge. Billions of dollars, national security, and the lives of pilots all hang in the balance. The right choice could mean air superiority for decades. The wrong one could leave a nation vulnerable. It's a story of cost versus capability, and the outcome could reshape the skies for a generation. The world is watching, and the next chapter in aerial warfare is about to be written. Let's dive in. The Saab Gripen is Sweden's answer to high-tech air power on a budget. Built for smart defense, it delivers top-tier performance without draining national coffers. It's a true multi-role fighter: air combat, ground attack, reconnaissance, all in one. Maintenance is a breeze, small crews, standard tools, and quick turnarounds, even on improvised runways. Operational readiness is its secret weapon, perfect for smaller air forces. But affordable doesn't mean basic. The Gripen EF is loaded with advanced electronics. Its electronic warfare suite can jam, spoof, and confuse enemy systems, making it tough to target. The AESA radar and data link let Gripens work as a team, sharing info instantly. AI helps the pilot manage the flood of data, focusing on the mission, not the workload. The Gripen proves you don't need a massive budget to field a cutting-edge fighter. It's Swedish engineering at its smartest. The F-35 Lightning II is a technological powerhouse, representing the cutting edge of modern military aviation. Designed to dominate the skies, it's the result of decades of research, innovation, and collaboration between the world's leading aerospace engineers. Every inch of the F-35 is packed with advanced technology, making it one of the most formidable aircraft ever built. Its core advantage? Stealth, engineered to be nearly invisible to enemy radar. The F-35's unique shape, special coatings, and internal weapons bays all work together to minimize its radar signature, allowing it to slip past enemy defenses undetected. This stealth capability gives pilots the upper hand, letting them strike first and disappear before the enemy even knows they're there. In air combat, seeing first means winning first, and the F-35 is built for that. Its advanced sensors can detect threats at extreme distances, tracking enemy aircraft, missiles, and ground targets long before they become a danger. This early warning system is a game changer. During simulated combat, the F-35 routinely outperforms legacy fighters, often destroying multiple adversaries without ever being detected. These results have stunned even seasoned pilots, proving that the F-35's technology isn't just theoretical, it works in the real world. And it's only getting better. Block 4 upgrades will boost radar, sensors, missile capacity, and computing power. These enhancements will keep the F-35 ahead of evolving threats, ensuring it remains the most advanced fighter in the sky for years to come. Engineers are constantly refining its systems, making it smarter, faster, and deadlier with every update. Soon, it'll even control AI drone wingmen. These loyal wingmen will fly alongside the F-35, carrying out dangerous tasks, gathering intelligence, and even engaging enemy targets, all under the pilot's command. This leap in manned-unmanned teaming will redefine air combat, multiplying the F-35's effectiveness and keeping human pilots out of harm's way. The F-35 isn't just a jet, it's the backbone of Western air power for decades to come. With hundreds already in service across multiple allied nations, it forms the core of a global defense network. Its adaptability allows it to perform a wide range of missions, from air superiority to ground attack and electronic warfare. It's not just about dogfights, it's about total information dominance. The F-35's ability to gather, process, and share information gives commanders a complete picture of the battlefield, enabling smarter, faster decisions that can turn the tide of any conflict. That's what sets it apart. The F-35 isn't just a leap forward in fighter technology, it's a revolution in how wars are fought and won in the 21st century. Let's talk money, because even the best jet is useless if you can't afford to fly it. In the world of modern air forces, the sticker price is just the beginning. What really matters is the total cost of ownership. And that's where the story of the F-35 and the Gripen EF truly begins. The F-35 program is the most expensive weapons project ever, with lifetime costs soaring over $1.7 trillion. That's not just for building the jets, but for keeping them operational for decades, covering upgrades, spare parts, and the massive support network needed to keep these high-tech machines in the air. A single F-35A costs around $80 million to buy, but the real expense is in keeping it flying. Every hour in the sky racks up bills for fuel, maintenance, and specialized support crews. The complexity of its stealth systems and advanced electronics means more time in the hangar and more money out of the budget. Operational costs, fuel, maintenance, training, push the F-35's price per flight hour above $40,000. That means every training sortie, every patrol, every mission comes with a hefty price tag. For air forces, these costs add up fast, limiting how often pilots can train and how many jets can be kept mission-ready. The Gripen EF, by contrast, is designed for affordability and ease of use. Its flight hour costs are less than half the F-35’s, thanks to a focus on efficient design, modular systems, and simpler maintenance routines. This means more flying for the same budget and less downtime for repairs. Over decades, that's hundreds of millions saved per jet. Multiply that across an entire fleet, and the savings become a game-changer for countries with limited defense budgets. It's not just about buying jets, it's about sustaining them for the long haul. For countries with tight budgets, this means more jets, more flying, and better trained pilots. Instead of choosing between quality and quantity, nations can have both, fielding a larger, more active air force without breaking the bank. The choice is stark. A smaller fleet of ultra-advanced F-35's or a larger, highly capable fleet of Gripens? Each path has its own advantages. The F-35 brings cutting-edge stealth and sensor fusion, but at a cost that limits numbers. The Gripen offers modern capabilities, but in greater quantities, allowing for more coverage and flexibility. The F-35's massive production scale helps keep its price competitive, and its advanced features are unmatched. But the Gripen's long-term value, lower costs, easier upgrades, and broader access, makes it a compelling choice for many air forces looking to stretch their budgets further. It's a classic battle, upfront power versus sustainable strength. Do you invest in the most advanced technology, or do you prioritize the ability to fly more, train more, and adapt over time? For many nations, the math is as important as the tech. Defense planners must weigh not just what a jet can do, but how often it can do it and for how long. The right answer depends on strategy, geography, and the threats a country faces. In the end, these budget choices are reshaping the global fighter market, influencing alliances, and determining which air forces will dominate the skies for decades to come. A jet on the ground is no threat. Operational availability is what counts. The F-35's complexity means it needs constant specialized care, stealth coatings, global logistics, and high-tech support. This can ground jets for repairs, straining even wealthy air forces. The Gripen flips the script: rugged, reliable, and easy to maintain, even in remote locations. Small teams can refuel and rearm it in minutes, using basic tools. This means more sorties, higher readiness, and a real-world edge in a crisis. For nations that need to keep jets flying, the Gripen's simplicity is a strategic advantage. Sometimes, less really is more. In air combat, information is everything. The F-35's stealth and sensor fusion let it see and strike first, often before the enemy knows it's there. Its radar and infrared systems give the pilot a godlike view, turning them into a battlespace manager. The Gripen can't match the F-35's stealth, but it's no easy target. Its electronic warfare suite can jam and confuse enemy radars, making it hard to lock on. The Gripen's real strength is teamwork. Advanced data links let multiple jets share sensor data in real time. One Gripen can scan while others stay silent, launching missiles using shared targeting info. This networked approach creates a distributed sensor web, making the whole squadron smarter and deadlier. The F-35 rules with stealth and sensors. The Gripen fights back with electronic tricks and collaboration. Two different paths to air dominance. Both are redefining what it means to see first, win first. This isn't just theory. It's happening now. Portugal is replacing its aging F-16's, and the F-35 was the expected choice. But rising costs and a push for European independence have put the Gripen and Rafale in contention. For Portugal, the F-35's price and complex support are daunting. Choosing the Gripen would be a huge win for European industry and a validation of the smart fighter concept. The F-35 offers unmatched tech and NATO integration, but at a high price and with US dependence. The Gripen offers capability, affordability, and strategic autonomy. Portugal's decision will echo across Europe and the world. Has the Gripen destroyed the F-35's reputation? Not quite. In a head-to-head, the F-35's stealth and sensors still give it the edge. But the real debate is about what makes an effective air force. The F-35's cost limits fleet size and flight hours. The Gripen offers more jets in the air, more often. The Gripen's electronic warfare can disrupt even stealthy foes, challenging the idea that one jet rules all. Air superiority isn't just about the best hardware, it's about sustainability and adaptability. The F-35 remains the king of tech, but the Gripen proves there's another way to win. The myth isn't busted, but it's definitely been challenged. So, which jet is better? There's no single answer. The F-35 is the Formula One car, built for dominance, integration, and cutting-edge warfare. The Gripen is the rally car, adaptable, affordable, and ready for any road. For superpowers and close allies, the F-35 is the gold standard. For nations seeking independence and value, the Gripen is a smart alternative. Both jets have bright futures but different destinies. The F-35 will lead NATO and US air power. The Gripen will win where flexibility and cost matter most. This rivalry is about more than speed or stealth. It's about strategy, economics, and ambition. In the end, there's more than one way to rule the sky. And for aviation fans,